Blue Springs, Mississippi on the Alice Chalmers. This is our 3,500-pound modified division. (117 feet, 5.5 inches).